Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just reduced 4-bedroom, 4-bath RV garage pool home. Hang out and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3550 North Kiowa. This was just reduced to right at $1 million, 999,999. We do consider this a little bit of a busy street, but it's high enough up so you don't get much traffic up here. It's all relative depending on where you live. This is Havasu, so this is what we consider busy. All nice houses around, close to the open desert. Nicely landscaped. So you have a vacant lot next door. A lot of nice stonework in the front. Real nice entry, big, huge front little patio. All right, let's go in and check it out. Looks like it's got an 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2006. 2,644 square feet. Has a wide open living area, dual master suites, big kitchen. So this is currently being used as a vacation rental and is coming fully furnished. Again, this one was just reduced to $999,999. So $1 million. Real nice granite counters, lots of storage, a big 8-foot steel door out to the front patio right there. Looks like a wood-burning fireplace, built-in entertainment center, can light, ceiling fans. There's also 2 sliders out to the backyard pool area. A lot of seating around the bar here, stainless appliances, upgraded cabinets, tall ceilings. So this is also a split floor plan. Again, there's dual master suites, so it would make a successful vacation rental, because that's what the vacation renters want, is to sleep as many people as possible. All right, so you have a master suite, a guest bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms on one side of the house. You have a master suite here with 8-foot interior double doors. All the doors are all 8 feet in here. Big master suite. Has double doors out to the pool area, can lights, fireplace. Again, this one's being sold fully furnished. All the furniture looks like it's real high-end stuff. So you have a master bath, tiled counters, tall ceilings, walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. Dual heads in the shower, towel goes all the way to the ceiling. Toilet has its own door. And you have a walk-in closet. All right. right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So across the hall, you have another guest bedroom, the front of the house. Tall ceilings, 8-foot dual slider closet doors. So you have bedroom number 3 right next to bedroom number 2, front of the house. Same setup, dual glassed double slider doors to the closet. So at the end of the hall, you have a guest bathroom. Tall ceilings in here as well. Glass doored shower. All right, so you have another master suite at the other side of the house. Same double 8-foot entry doors. This looks to be a little bit bigger than the other one, so this must be maybe the main master. Has a slider or a double door out to the pool area and a fireplace in here as well. Also has a little office nook, which is pretty cool. Looks to be a wood-burning fireplace in here as well. So you have the master bath. This one seems to be a little bit bigger than the other one as well. Pretty good size. Has dual sinks in this one. Jetted tub with tile all the way to the ceiling. Tall ceilings in here as well. You have a walk-in shower. Another vanity. Big glass door, walk-in shower with 3 heads and jets. Toilet has its own door as well in here. You also have another big walk-in closet. All right, let's go see what else we can find. So you have your garage door access and your indoor laundry at the end of the hallway here. Tiled utility sink. Big tall ceilings in here. All right, so the garage is set up with a 2-car garage that's extra wide. It's 24 feet wide, 22 feet deep with an 8-foot door. Both doors are insulated. There's integrated speakers out here too, it looks like. So you have an air handler out here, water heater, RO system, soft water. So you also have a 47-foot RV garage. It's 15 feet wide at the door, has a 12-foot door. You also have full RV hookups, water, dump, 50 amp. There's a man door to the backyard pool area and the 4th bathroom. Make a nice little pool bathroom. All right, let's go check out the pool area. All right, so you have a pretty cool pool area back here. Nice and private, backs to some hills here. Little bar with an umbrella stand. Pool plaster looks pretty decent. Hot tub looks pretty decent. I don't see any chipping or cracking. A barbecue area. Looks like there's a big spillway in the raised beam up there that's not on right now, a little waterfall feature. Let's go see what's over here real quick. So looks like all your pool equipment's behind this wall. You also have the door to the RV garage, and there is an outdoor shower out here, so that's cool. So you got all your pool equipment back here behind the wall. It's on propane, so it's probably a leased tank, and then they just come and refill it for you to heat the hot tub. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Kiowa. Again, this one was just reduced to $1 million. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the current listing pictures, current price, and availability. Again, this one is being used as a vacation rental and is being sold fully furnished. Of course, there will be a list of inclusions. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.